My name is Philippou. Name of the business is Charlie's Restaurant. I've been in business since 1981. Came in this country, I was 22, 27. Went in business, and 40 years later, I'm still here. I remember like it was yesterday. It was like Palm Sunday. Usually a busy day. It was March 25th. Closed the place, went home, lay on the couch watching TV, and half an hour later, I get a phone call. The place is on fire. I rush, come over here. Fire trucks from Forest Park, Riverside, Oak Park, Berwyn, police cars, lights all over the place. I said, what the hell is going on? Start thinking, what happens now? Thinking about the customers, you're thinking about the employees, you're thinking about your family, it's like everything stopped right there and there. And we called society and, reported the fire. And then Jimmy came the next day here. Jimmy come over, sat down, explained everything. Says you got a great policy. And he said something that I never forget. He goes, this is a time when society shines when something like this happened, Oh, Jimmy was great. He was calling all the time, and, even times where the things get a little heated, he was always cool, calm, and collective. Some people, they see the glass half empty, and some people, they see the glass half full. Jimmy was always positive. Anything that was, because like I said, that was a big deal. A lot of people involved, electricians, plumbers, roofers. He knew how to work with everybody. Everybody talks bad mouthing, experiences in the past about different insurances. I had none of that. I said, I don't know, maybe I'm the only lucky guy. I don't know. But, I'm sure you hear that too, the insurance they don't want to pay, or they take forever. In my case, it took a little longer. But like Jimmy said, it turned out for the better, because everything got done right. Anybody who asks me if I recommend society, I would say 100%.